I just wanted to come on here and say hello. I'm Phyllis, Hazlewood Homestead in Tennessee. I want to let you know that we have heard that our corn is going to be harvested in probably a couple of days. So we're very excited about that because it's very hot when you're surrounded by corn. You don't get many breezes. I wish you guys could see the hummingbirds out here. They're just dive bombing around. What I want to show you is how that process is done. Now, another thing I want to ask you, if you are driving, will you please be courteous to the farmers when they're getting their crops out this fall? Be very cautious around their equipment. They cannot see you. They're not on the same level on the highway that you are. They're about very high. If you run in behind them, they cannot see you. So be very cautious. If you can pull over and give them the road, turn in a driveway, or get off of the road cautiously, please let them have the highway. Please be kind to them. You know, they grow a lot of our food source. So be very, very careful around that equipment when you see it on the highway. Be very cautious. Be good to our farmers. They do a lot for us. Also, I want to tell you my knee is much better. I had 2 of those rooster comb injections. It feels much better. And if you prayed for me, I thank you for that. And if you're having trouble with your knee, you might want to go to an orthopedic doctor and see if they can help you get those injections in your knee. Basically what that does, it kind of cushions the bone on bone. It puts a little layer of cushion in there, and it's really been helpful for me. Now, I'm going to take you and with me and show you how they get all the corn harvested around our house. Now, I don't know how they do it other places, but I do know how they do it in Tennessee. So as soon as they get here, I'm going to take you with me out in my yard. I cannot get out in the field because it's too dangerous. They couldn't see me, but I'm going to film the equipment from my yard. So as soon as they're here, I'll show you how it's done. Here comes another combine. Hey, here comes another combine. Or maybe that's a grain truck. Well, that's the grain cart. What you doing out here in the sun?
Yeah.
Burning up.
Burning up. High. 99 degrees. It's hot.
I just told them how hot it is. I'm going to show y'all the grain truck that's coming to pick up the grain. Well, he's lagging behind. Can't get by the big white truck. Oh, yeah. That's the tractor you drove all the time? Here they come back again. Bye-bye, corn. has gone to get more corn. And that one is finished dumping corn. They just go get it, dump it in the truck. Okay guys, it's gonna get noisy. Here he comes. Guys, I was going to show you an ear of the corn. See how dry it is? All hard and all dried up. Isn't it something? Look at all of it on the stalks. Well, he's getting all of it. Isn't that something? What do you think about it? Look how dry. Pretty yellow. Look at that corn. We've got 90 acres of corn out here that he's going to be taking down today. There's the house. I'm right out here on the east side of my house in the shade, and I'm telling you, it's hot. Really, really hot. But I wanted to share the combining with you guys. If you've never been around farming or live in the country, this is what it's all about. This right here. It's all about it. Whew. It's just all about the corn. All right, here he comes. wanted to show you what he's fixing to do over here. The grain truck is pulled up. I don't know if you can see or not, but the grain truck, this truck is pulled up to this truck. It's going to open the spout. All the grain is going to fall into that truck. And what they will do with that, all of that corn in that truck, that goes to the river, gets on the board, or it goes in a grain bin, depending. They check the moisture content. It has to be a certain percentage to be adequate, but that's how they get the corn out of the field. If you've never seen this operation before, it's quite a big deal. Sometimes this grain truck will follow along in the field. It doesn't even have time to come and dock. The white truck will just follow along and get dumped beside the grain bin. And the grain bin will keep going, and the combine will keep going. If they're tight on time because of rain or other unexpected things. So I wanted you to see this operation. Now he's got his load finished, and he'll back, when he starts to get done, he's not finished. He'll back down to the very back of the truck to keep sending more out of this spout. It's an amazing process to get this corn out of the field. There's another truck there waiting to be filled up. Another combine. And these trucks over here, they are the service trucks, the water, the gas, whatever they might need to repair if they break down in the field. These trucks are here and available sitting out. Here goes our truck. He's loaded, full grain, and he's fixing to pull out on the road, and he's either heading to a grain bin, or he's going to go down to the river and unload. I'm going to hold this up high. Maybe you can see the corn at the top. There he goes. Woo! And the grain truck is moving over there, and he's empty now. So he's going to go back into the field and chase the combine to get another load. Or he may take a break. Now here comes another truck, and I don't know what he's going to do. But we're going to wave at them. They're tooting at us. They're tooty toot tooting. There they go. All right. One truck left full, so another empty one is pulled in to take its place, and will come up here and park. So maybe our grain truck is not empty. Let's see. Let's see what happens. He's creeping up beside him, but I don't know if he's gonna, nope, he stopped. I don't think he's got any grain on his, wait a minute, maybe he does. Oh, there it goes. Can you guys see it? Man, he's still full. He's dumping it in this first truck. Wow. I'll tell you guys, this is just really a corny operation, isn't it? Look at all those corn kernels. All right, looks like he's getting to the end of it. Yep. Now, I don't think this truck's going to pull off. I don't think he's completely loaded. This white truck is going to stay, or maybe he's going to move to the back and fill up some more. Wow, I think the grain truck is empty. He's gonna go find a loaded combine and let the combine get some corn on him. Here he comes, guys. Well, Hazlewood Homestead is a busy place today. Going back in the field, go get the combine. All right, guys. Combine is coming to unload.